Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to set emergency contacts on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and watch this video to the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Settings, then scroll down to the bottom, and find the Emergency SOS tab. Go here. Scroll down. And then we're gonna go to Set up emergency contacts in Health. Click Add, select. And here we have our first name, last name, year of birth, how much we weigh, our height. And then at the bottom, we click on Emergency Contacts. Click Add. We choose a person. It can be a wife, a brother, a husband, a child, whatever, a doctor. I choose this contact. Then this contact is asked to sign who he will be for you. Sister, brother, father, mother, partner. Let me choose, let's say, doctor. And then when you've made your selection, you click Next. You confirm everything here and click Done. Now you've saved. And when you go out, you have your doctor and the emergency services. Now you can very quickly, very easily call him right away. If you liked and helped this video and you managed to do it my way, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.